In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox is not launching, starting, or opening. Now the way that we can fix this is first, if you are using the web browser, you want to come up here and click on this, go to cookies and site data, manage on device, and make sure you delete everything in here. After you've done that, just press done, then come up here again, site settings, delete the data, and also reset permissions. Once you've done that, you can just close out of this, then try and relaunch your browser, and now it should hopefully work. If you're not using the website, what you can do is find the Roblox on your desktop, and then what you want to do is you want to search right here for run, type enter, type %, temp %, press OK, delete everything in here. So you can just press Ctrl and A, press delete, and then take this one and press skip. And if it pops up again, just do the same, skip, and there we go. Just leave these files right here. Then close it down, find Roblox player, right click, properties, compatibility, activate these two, apply, OK, and try and launch it. If it's still not working, you can come back here, properties, compatibility, then try and activate this one and set it to Windows 8, and then try and see if it works now. Now, if for some reason it's still not working, there's one last thing that we can do to try and fix it. Come here and search for apps and features. Then we want to uninstall Roblox. To search for Roblox and uninstall everything in here. And then you want to download it from the Microsoft Store instead. So open up the Microsoft Store. In here, you can just search for Roblox. And there will be, not Roblox, like this. And there will be a free version right here that you can download. Don't worry, it's the exact same as the one from the browser, but you're downloading it from the Microsoft Store instead. So that's basically the ways that you can fix it, guys. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.